Hey guys, today we're going to ingest the codebase of a client's NetSuite instance into Splotch. And what we're going to derive is the processes that are encoded within that codebase. So let's jump straight into it. We're going to use the NetSuite codebase of a partner company so that we have a real world example. All right, we're going to go to the canvas and say add from link. Then we're going to go to Google Drive where we have this code repository stored and drop it in here. All right, now it's going to take about 2 minutes to go through those files and generate an overview for us of all the processes that are contained therein. All right, so as you can see, Splotch found 23 processes, and on the left-hand side, we see the titles and summaries for those processes, and on the right-hand side, we can see this overview graph, which gives you a sense of how these processes are all connected with each other. So now we can select one or more of these processes and turn them into detailed diagrams and text briefs. Let me show you. All right, here we go. So here are the finished splotches, and we can take a closer look at them. They are pairs of diagram and text, and you can see that the text viewer always will go with the clicking of the different nodes, so you get a sense for what's the detail behind some of these nodes. And in addition to that, what we also do is we reference actually where in the code this came from. Now, in a next step, we want to show you how you can make edits. So you can throw the whole diagram into edit mode, and you're going to see the text editor on the left and the diagram on the right-hand side. So in this mode, you can either make changes to the text over here and then push those changes over to the diagram, or you can make changes over in the diagram and push them back to the text. So as an example, we could zoom in here and say, wait a minute, there should be a connection between these steps here. We open this up and we draw a line, and it automatically reorganizes the diagram. And if that was a change we wanted to push to the text, we could hit update text. What it does in this step is that it will rewrite the text, but it will only make changes where there is indeed a semantic change between what was in the diagram before and push that into the text. All the other text remains exactly the same, so you don't get a completely new text every time you run edits. So our plan is to build out this feature in the next few months so that you can ingest the code base as we've shown here today. You can make changes together with the customer on the diagram or text level. And then Splotch would start recommending code changes that a technical person can review and push into a staging environment. And then at the end, we could pull a new version again of the code once it's in production and compare and make sure that the changes that were planned indeed took effect, were put in place, and we would have a versioning feature to manage that process as well. So we're really excited about that. We hope you are too, and always open to get your feedback. Appreciate your time, and have a great day.